Are you looking for the best visa to obtain residency in an Australian state and remain indefinitely in Australia? If yes, listen up and take note. You don't need to have studied or worked in Australia to be eligible and to apply for this visa. Also, you can be anywhere in the world and consider applying for this visa. This is the second most sought after permanent visa to work and live in Australia. Well, the visa we are talking about is the skilled nominated visa subclass 190. It's a points tested permanent visa for skilled individuals who are nominated by an Australian state or territory to live and work permanently in Australia. You gain additional 5 points when nominated by the relevant state or territory, and this is added to your overall points. Let's take a quick peek at the process. To apply for this visa, the applicant must submit an expression of interest and be invited via Skill Select. They must nominate an occupation from either the medium and long term strategic skills list or the short term skilled occupation list, that is, an occupation from a combined list of 427 occupations. Additionally, the nominated occupation must be included in the occupations list of the relevant state or territory the nomination is sought from. 2. Upon receiving a nomination invitation from the state or territory, the applicant must respond within 2 weeks with all relevant evidence and documents to support their eligibility claim. 3. When invited to apply for the visa, the applicant has 60 days to submit a visa application along with the evidence and required documentation for visa processing. 4. Once the 190 visa has been granted, the visa holder and the accompanying family members will be able to live and work in Australia as permanent residents. Now, if you're applying from Australia, you must hold a substantive visa or be on a bridging visa A, B, or C to be eligible to apply. Let's look at the eligibility criteria. The applicant, 1, must have a positive skills assessment for the relevant occupation. 2, have at least competent English, that is, a score of 6 in each component of IELTS. 3, score at least 65 points to be invited to apply. 4, must be under the age of 45 when they receive an invitation to apply. 5, must meet the health and character requirements as prescribed for this visa. The applicant is able to include their partner and any dependent children along with their application. If the applicant does apply within Australia, they will receive a bridging visa allowing them to remain in Australia during the processing of their visa. Want to know more about this visa or understand how to gain more points and increase your chances of receiving an invitation? Connect with us.